Welcome back to Expert Crypto. Hope you guys are having a great night. We are seeing these altcoins blow up. This is looking very good. You guys' portfolios should at least be up around 8 to 9% at the minimum. So what we're looking at right now is what altcoins do we own right now? How much is this run up going to go as of tonight? Where do I see it going? And what's the dealio? Okay, so what are we going to be going over first? Okay, first, you guys, it feels good to make some money, right? It feels good to make some gains, and okay, so we really want to get into exactly the strategy, okay, exactly the strategy that we're going over right now. And what we're going over, let me pull up my thing real quick, is we got to be taking some profits, but I don't see any profit taking happening until Bitcoin hits around 58 to 59, because that's a major support level. When Bitcoin hits 58 to 59, let me switch to the screen. Okay, yeah, smash that like button. All right, when Bitcoin hits 58 to 59, I do see a little bit of a retracement or a little good profit taking coming there, because altcoins are going to keep on pumping up like we've seen when Bitcoin hits 58 to 59. But guys, look at this chart. All right, look at this map, guys. We got into EOS. That was 56. They came out with a DEX, by the way. That was really what we saw. But Polygon, we'd love to see Matic up. It's undervalued as heck. Rev is still up today. They did dip a little bit, but it's okay. YFI has a lot of news coming out about them. They've been a little bit undervalued. They haven't had too much price action. That's kind of why they're moving up, in my opinion. Sushi partnered with EOS, I believe, or yes, it was with EOS. That's why they're up. And we do have a sushi trade in. So you know what? That's amazing, guys. We're definitely going to be eating some sushi very soon. OMG is up 24% today. Zen is up today 23%. All right, so everything's really looking good. Anchor's up 13% today too. That's looking really good. It's up 14%. And KuCoin as well is in the top 100. They just pushed up there. But we're going to see everything continue to pump, guys. How good does this feel? Let's get some hype going. Let's get some likes going. But I'm very happy about how this day really panned out. We are in altcoin season, guys. And what are we looking at with Matic right now? Okay, so you guys want to know when to take your profits. We're looking to take probably 30% profits, 30 to 40%, whatever you guys want to do. You guys could hold this long term. You guys really can be holding Matic long term. Where do I see you guys selling this? Okay, I see very short, maybe by the next 3 or 4 days. If Bitcoin does hit 58 to 59, we will see a $1.75 Matic at the highest. But that's just a little guess. But you really can't tell where the trend is going. But I do see around $1.75 being a very good sell level. I need to see the charts more. Okay, guys, I'm not gonna lie to you. You need to see the charts more to really be able to understand that. I will be doing a live stream tomorrow where I'll be going deeper into the market, because right now everything's pumping and nothing's really consolidating too much. Yes, we've seen some upward wicks, but when we see these upward wicks, guys, with Bitcoin still on the run, when we see these wicks that have this little 3 or 4% wick, you guys see that? That's a wick right here. Circle it. You guys better be watching those tutorial videos. But yeah, when you see these wicks right here, that does signal bullishness, okay? That does signal bullishness, but you guys, look at, this is the supply zone. This is where people are selling. And you guys have to understand that this is when people are taking profits on Matic. And guys, look at, we hit it every single time. And that's a very good thing to see. With Matic, most of our trades did hit those zones. I'm going to be going over a few things that you guys want me to, because I just wanted to update you guys on what was going on today. Sell point of Cake. We'll look into Cake real quick. Yeah, I mean, everything's up today, so yeah, I do see Cake breaking out, by the way, guys. I do see this happening. I was looking at them earlier. I'm a little bit tired, and we're going to be doing a long stream tomorrow. I was preparing for the stream tomorrow, but I didn't really plan on streaming tonight, but I was told to do a stream tonight, so I'm doing one. I'll just be answering a lot of questions about what you guys want me to go over. I don't have too much planned. We are just really living it up right now with these pumps, guys. Look at this. Beautiful altcoin season right here, guys. Look at the percents up on every single one of these. That's why we bought. Is Tria still a hold? These small caps will be pumping within the next, I would say, week, especially with everything going on in the market. Bitcoin Cash blew up. Yes, great trade, guys. I think we're going to take profits with Bitcoin Cash. I believe it's around 1650. So hopefully we can get there by the night. TrueBit, let's see what TrueBit's at. Yes, we're gem hunting tomorrow. And I'm just going to be streaming a lot of what I'm doing in the market, okay? I'll be giving a lot of tips tomorrow. I'm just very, very, little bit consolidated tonight. ADA take profits 180. Yeah, I would say wait till $2. When Bitcoin pumps up to around 58 to 59, we'll see a $1.90, $1.95 ADA. I do see a little take profit right there on ADA. But long term, ADA will be probably $6 to $7. Maybe we'll have to see about that. But a lot of news on ADA. I have changed my opinion on them a little bit since the past few days. ICP in a month. Okay, the problem with ICP, guys, is I didn't do any price corrections. Or price predictions in that video. Okay, you have to understand. People thought I was shilling ICP. At least that's what the editor said. And guys, you guys gotta understand. ICP is basically going to be helping out Ethereum. They're Ethereum's sister network, meaning that they're going to be doing all these things that Ethereum can't and making it better. Okay, they're actually going to be making crypto decentralized. Their nodes that they have are completely decentralized. This is going to actually really change crypto forever as we know it. And there's going to be a lot of things going through their network, guys. This is very, very, I would say, undervalued where it's at right now. Their tokenomics are okay, but you guys have to understand that this is going to be like investing into Bitcoin or Ethereum. This is how I see ICP right now. And I do see probably whatever Ethereum does, ICP will do a, let's say Ethereum does a 3x this year, 4x this year from its price right now. We'll see ICP do a 3 to 4x by the end of the year. I would just say it's another Ethereum, another Bitcoin. Wait for these price corrections and definitely some good buys though. No, ICP is not in the toilet, guys. ICP is very, very good. You guys, this has been in the works for years. ICP has, okay. It's been working in the works for years. What? I'm not shilling. All right, we're gonna go over the Bitcoin breakout that we saw. Exactly as predicted. I knew I was bullish on Bitcoin, guys. We saw this resistance level broke right here. What did we see? We saw the run up, boom, from here to there. Let's see how much this was. We did see it test this resistance multiple times. It was around a 2% run up from there. But yeah, we saw it break out of this little falling wedge, and when it broke out of this falling wedge, we saw the run up today. Very good to see. Now it's consolidating. We do see these lower wicks. Okay, we do have, I would say, a new demand zone for Bitcoin. We'll just have to see. I'm not really gonna be completely sure till tomorrow because we did have this run up later in the day. FTM. Okay, I'll go over FTM. FTM's at a great price to buy right now. We're gonna see them pump up. I do. Oh, they were down. Then they just went up like 5% in the matter of when did they go up? I was just looking at them earlier and they were down a little bit, but sorry. ERSDL. I'll go over ERSDL real quick. Down 16%. Oh, the banter. All right, so 20% on ERSDL. They are probably going to be pumping up, especially when this money switches over to these to these mid caps and these small caps. I don't understand why people are selling ERSDL. I kind of do, but at the same time, guys, this is going to be $20 billion fully diluted market cap very soon. Yeah. All right. So, sushi. Okay. So, what's our sell targets on sushi? All right, we'll go over sushi. Where am I looking to sell sushi? In my opinion, okay, we had $25 sushi now. We had $22, $25 take profits on sushi. But I do see, guys, around a $30 to a $32 sushi coming within the next, I would say, week. Okay, coming in with the next week. Why is that? Their partnership. Okay, they just had a large partnership with EOS. EOS was up a lot more than Sushi Swap. And I see a Sushi Swap at least going up another 50% from here, and some, okay, and some, especially with these run-ups that we've seen. What about the banter bags? Okay, we'll talk about that for 25 minutes. Yeah, I'm sorry guys, I don't have too much. I'll go over some. I'll go over the graphs on Ethereum too, because we kind of got that breakout going. I'll go over Ethereum, and then we'll go over some more stuff that you guys want to. I will have a planned out stream tomorrow. It'll be very good. But yes, we saw the breakout happening, guys. Look at this. This was me drawing these doodle bobs over here. And what did we see? We saw it break this support level. And once it broke this support level, we saw the breakout. We called out this support, right? We called out this support level, and we called out this support level, or this resistance level. Now it's support. But yes, we called that out. And want to know what happened? Exactly as predicted. It's not hard to predict Ethereum, guys, especially with how the current state of the market is. And I do it too much to really mess up on Ethereum. If you guys are looking at Ethereum a lot every single day, it's very easy to, like, you guys could predict this. I'm telling you, you guys could predict the market if you really put in the time. But I'll help you guys along the way, because we're all going to be learning together. And tomorrow will be a great day. I'll do like a 5 or 6 hour stream where I'm just helping you guys learn, going over how to research into things and how to really look at things from a technical analysis standpoint. And we're going to find the next 10x, okay? We will find the next 10x until, I won't stop streaming until we find the next 10x. Yeah, I never said to buy ICP in my video, okay? I was just telling you guys, like, that's a huge project. You guys need to know about ICP. You need to know about ICP. Like, that is going to be something that's going to change crypto, okay? We're going to have not only Ethereum improve, we're going to have this new thing called ICP, okay? How confident are you that VRA will be listed on Binance May or June? On a scale of 1 to 10? I don't do scales of 1 to 10. It's either a yes or a no, and I would say yes. Says sell half of our ETH for other alts. Yeah, if you sold your ETH for other alts right now, you'd be up. Okay, you'd be up more. Raycab 1. ICP price is wrong. Okay, let's go on CoinGecko, because CoinMarketCap is always wrong. It normally is. They don't have this on here. They don't have ICP on CoinGecko. That's kind of weird. It's not wrong. OMG. Okay, let's go over OMG's analytics real quick. We bought them around $8. We did get a little buy order around $8 on OMG. I remember that at one point. I still have those OMG allocations from $8. Where's OMG at? Because we made profits around 15. I told you guys to sell, but I was holding them, and then I ended up, it was a bad trade for me, but you guys should have sold, okay? Told you guys to sell. I was getting a little bit greedy with them, just because when I ended the stream, it did look like a little bit of a breakout in the 20 to 10 minute time frame, and I was wrong. But you guys should have benefited. Where's OMG's? I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry. All right. So we're at this consolidation point with OMG right now. We caught OMG. Let me put this in. Sorry about the little delay here. Okay, so bought some OMG here. This was just from yesterday, guys. We also bought them, I believe, in this vicinity, probably before that. But all right, so what we see with them right now is we see these downward wicks. Okay, we see these downward wicks that we're seeing right now. OMG does look like it's about to break out. And how can I tell that? How can I tell that? Look at this demand. Look at this demand level. Look where people are buying right here. Okay, very, very consistent demand level right here. And what we see right now is we see these upward wicks, okay? We saw this run up. We saw it push the support level. And from exactly the way the market is working right now, okay, the way the market has been going, OMG still has a lot to run up, guys. They still have a lot to run up. They still have a lot to run up, guys. We saw these this little retracement, right? I do see the same pattern happening since when we caught this other run up here, okay? I see this being the little initial run up when we had this little dip, right? We had this dip right here, and now we're having this little run up and then consolidation, and then we're gonna have a little bit of another run up. Could be around $14 to $15. I do see that happening, and yeah, it's looking good. Matic market cap by the end of the year, correlation with ETH. I see Matic around 10 to 20 billion at least. Nano up 34%. Yep. Let's look up Nano. Wait, Nano. I was thinking of, was I thinking of Quantum? I think Quantum's up a significant amount. No, they're not. What's Quantum up? I've been doing quite a lot of trades today. I gave you guys a significant amount. All of them are up, I believe. They should be. And really, the Matic trade, guys, the Matic trade, I've been shilling Matic. I've been shilling Matic ever since they had that run up. I was like, they're going to consolidate. They're going to consolidate. This is your time to buy. This is your time to really buy. And when they had that dip, this is your time to buy. This is your time to buy Matic. If I'm ever telling you guys to buy something multiple times, I'm telling you guys, Matic's going to 2 to 3x in a very short period of time, even though they just had this 110% that we got, okay? We made 110%. Why am I so greedy? Why am I going to say this thing's going to go up 200, 300%? I have a lot of confidence, and I really understand Matic. It still has a lot of room. So does FTM, Guy Oliver. FTM does. We went over their chart, right? DOT. We're looking to get some profits on DOT. I do still have a trade on DOT, and I believe you guys do as well. If you do, let me go full feature chart. We do see the DOT breakout. All right, so we're back to around where we bought them. They had such a bad dip, guys. DOT is extremely undervalued. I see $48 DOT. I see $54 DOT coming within the next few weeks, especially if Bitcoin can hold. If we can get around to 62K Bitcoin, we're going to get around to $60 to $55 DOT. EQZ flash loans. Oh yeah, I know what EQZ is. The problem, in my opinion, with EQZ is they just don't have the ability. They don't have the ability to really get all this legislation passed. Okay, they are new, and the flash loan system is not good for people that are new in the market. Okay, you guys have to get this legislation. You guys have to get laws. You guys have to lobby these politicians to really pass your stuff first, and you can't large scale if you don't have that done. Yes, you could do flash loans, but you need these. You need a lot more investors. I'm telling you that right now. Okay. Yes, all these banking companies, they need as much investors as they can, just like these banks we see in real life, even though they're on crypto. That's what I've noticed, at least. Zill. Okay, we'll go over Zill. Zill, dude. Up 8%. I am bullish on Zilliqa. I mean, we've already made money off of them. I do see them consolidating, but yes, they're only up 8%. That's still outperforming the market, so that's good. How do you prevent being stop loss hunted by whales? Better for us to use limit or market loss stop. I always suggest use a stop loss. Use a stop loss. I see a lot of ETCs, guys. I see a lot of ETCs. Let's look at the ETC graph. Where's ETC? All right. So what's happening with ETC right now? What we're seeing with ETC, this consolidation period, and I do see them pushing around $140, $150 short term. That's where I would be taking around 50% of my profits. We did compare them to the last run up that they've had. And what we're seeing with their last run up is they did have these consolidation points, guys. When something pumps up as much as ETC does, not too many people want to invest into it right then. When altcoin season does pick up, and once we see more gains, especially in Ethereum, we're going to see $150 very easy to take some profits with them, and then we're trying to sell the rest around, I would say 175 to 200. We're not going to go for that 250. I feel like that's just being greedy. Okay, that's just being greedy. But I am still holding some. I'm honestly going to be selling the majority of mine around 150. That's because we did buy a lot of it around $20 or less. Just throwing that out there. If you guys want to hold to 175 to $200, you guys can. But I really see $150 getting my allocations out. You guys can't be 100% perfect on every trades, but we are pretty good on ETC. We did call them out early, and I just had some consolidation. Thought they were going to be able to pump up a lot more. Okay, so we guys see the demand zone with FTM. This is where we got. When we see them break the supply zone, that would be a very good entry point. But I do see if you guys buy in this demand zone right now, that's not bad. But if you guys really want to be very strict and educated investing, you always want to wait for the resistance to be broke and then buy, because normally you have a breakout after that, especially if it's a hard resistance. Let me look into a few of my trades that I made today. Share that. These were after stream just because the market was moving different. Let me look up. All right. So what did I get into? Boom, boom. All right. So I did the trade on KSM today. What did I see? I saw them break this resistance level right at 436, and I put in a trade. Why did I do that, guys? 436 is a very, very key support level for KSM. We've seen it happen multiple times. A lot of volatility with this 436 level. And what's the next support level that we see right now, guys? What did it bounce off of? 458, right? 458 right here. And once it breaks through this, I do see them reaching the 490 level. And this is probably a good resistance to buy once it really does have a nice candlestick above. And yeah, once you guys see the candlestick above and the wick below, and you see a little bit of an action outwards, that's when I was really getting into them. But guys, look at, we called this little trade right here. We got this one. So yeah, that was a great trade with KSM. And did buy more though. And I bought some more of Bake, guys. I do see a Bake breakout coming. I do see it imminent. I talked about this one on stream. And now we are testing this other support right here. We have a support there. And get to this one. This one broke out right here. This is the support that we see breakouts with. All right, yeah, that's a great support to great support for Bake. I don't have my graph up that I did earlier, so I'm just trying to really. I've been looking at a lot of graphs today. I'm sorry, guys. Sorry. Yeah, but I do see around. I'm not going to give my opinion, guys, because I don't want to give you guys my opinion on something that I'm not completely sure of, because I don't really remember this graph too much. Sorry guys. I need to be more prepared for the stream, but tomorrow we'll have a great stream. Sorry about tonight. All right, so I do see Dash breaking out. Okay, why do I see Dash breaking out? All right, so this is another buy that I made. I did make a few other buys, but I'll talk about them more tomorrow. I'll get those graphs ready, but they were in a few consolidation points, and I'm not 100% sure where they're going to go. But we saw this wick upwards on Dash. I do see Dash being able to push to around the 457 level, and I see them being able to break that this 480 level, maybe go into the 500s short term. Why do I see that? Telcoin pumped so much, and I see Dash getting some of that pump because they are in the same sector and they've been very undervalued for a while. They've been kind of pretty consistent, guys. Pretty consistent. Yes, we've seen them 2x, but that's not really. It's not too much, guys. It's not too much. And yeah, really since January, we've only seen around a 4x with them. That's not too much, and considering the fact of how big they really could be. So short-term gains, though, take profits around 480, 520. All right, so let me go back, answer a few questions that you guys have. Trias. All right. We'll go over Trias. The problem with Trias, guys, you guys got to take your profits on these small caps. I do see Trias probably having a little bit more volatility, guys. A little bit more volatility once this money starts moving in the small caps, right? Look at this. Look at this beautiful consolidation that we have right here, guys. And want to know what this shows? This shows that we have a supply and a demand zone. Very strong one. And once it breaks out of this little demand zone down here, right? If we break down from that, we are going to see probably around a $15 to $13 Trias, and if we break out from here, probably going to see around a $26 to $27 Trias. And just wait for that to really sell them. But I'm telling you guys, take your profits on these. You guys don't need to sell the whole bag, but I always tell you guys take profits, especially on these small caps, because we do see dips like this, guys. We do see dips like this whenever the market's bearish. All right, I'll go over VET. We'll go over VeChain. BAT. Buy it. All right. Or do I see VET going short term? I really need to focus, guys, when I'm looking at these graphs, because I'm looking for multiple things. I see VET. I mean, we do see an uptrend in 45 minutes. This is pretty easy to pick out, guys. We do see this little uptrend with VET. What's the? I just like to look at the different times just to really see the momentum that we're having. It's pretty good strategy. You guys want to see where the momentum is going. Okay. They really haven't had too much of a price action right now, and I do see a lot of investors in VET long term, guys. VET is a long term investment. I've been in VET for a while. I did sell the majority of mine off recently, and that's only due to the fact of really because VET guys, VET is probably going to go to $1 within the next, let's say, 3 to 4 months by the end of this bull little swing that we have. And by the time Bitcoin hits around 70 to 80K, 90K, maybe 80 to 90K, we will see VET hit $1, and so will a lot of other things. Once that happens, it might take a while for really that to happen, but we'll have to see. VET should break out of this 26 level sooner or later, guys. It cannot get past this 26 level. That's very key. We have had a lot of consolidation around 25. Okay, 25 has been very hard for VET to break out of. I do love their fundamentals. I do love their company, but this consolidation around 25 is very hard, guys. This breakdown that we always see, we really need to break out of that, and I'll let you guys know. What are the chances HDR doesn't 10x? 0. HDR did have a breakout today. The charts were showing that it was in this channel a little bit, I believe. Did it break out for a little bit today? I just thought, yeah, there was a little breakout, but it does. Look at this channel, guys. Look at this channel that we're seeing. So we see this downtrend with HDR. Let me get it better. So we see this downwards channel with HDR. Let me put that back there. All right, so we see this downwards channel with HDR. And what do we see right here? We see a little breakout. We see a little consolidation. And I do see HDR maybe making an upwards movement because it did break out of this channel. It hasn't broken out of this channel over the past few days, right? And once it breaks out of this channel, I do see a little price run up to around $1.50, maybe $1.44, around that area. It always does that. All right, we'll go over VRA. You could, if you guys hold Trias for like a couple of years, there'll be a lot, guys. It's all about the long-term games. Okay, all about the long-term games. It just matters what type of person you are, though. I do a lot of short-term and long-term, but I don't buy something when it's not looking good technically, analysis speaking, short-term. So VRA has this very a bouncy type of ordeal going on over the past few weeks around this 39 to 31 level. Once we see a breakout starting to happen, we did see a little one right here, but it wasn't able to take off, guys. It wasn't able to take off. But I do see a price of around 54 cents for VR. I see it pushing all-time highs once they get listed on Binance. That needs to happen, guys. That really needs to happen. This is TradingView. That's what website I'm using. All right, I'll go over XRP. The problem with XRP, guys, is they're not going to be as profitable as these other altcoins because a lot of what has happened with their lawyers and with their they're very undervalued, guys. The lawyers are the court cases are over, guys, but they're still going on. Make sure to buy XRP when the court cases are done. They're going to blow up. We already saw that blow up, guys. This is what this is right here. When that court case was over, boom, we saw that run up, right? Hasn't been able to break all-time highs since then. Just throwing that out there. I do see it hitting around $2 to $3 by the next, I would say 3 to 4 months, maybe 2 months. Probably be sooner, especially if Bitcoin hits around 70 to 80K. That's every time we see Bitcoin go up 10 to 20K intervals, we will see these alts pull off 2x's. Okay, that's just a matter of a fact. At least 2x's. So I do see XRP being around $160 billion to $200 billion by the end of the year. That was my price prediction, and I'm still holding true to that. I still see it. Nothing has changed, technically, analytically speaking. Okay, but we saw this hammer right here. Now we're seeing upwards momentum on the 1-day chart. We could see this really take off though, because we do have the hammer right here, guys. This is an indicator that this is the bottom, and now we're trending upwards. If we break above 175, we could be hitting $2 short term, but we'll have to see about that. Yeah, we'll look at Anchor. Anchor's up. All of our trades were up from today's video, I believe. I'm not completely sure. Go on the 4-hour. All right, yeah, but look at this momentum, guys. Look where we caught Anchor, okay? We wanted to buy them once they broke out of this channel. Look what happened when they broke out of this channel, guys. Look what happened. This is what we saw with quite a lot of these trades, okay? What we're trying to do is we're trying to find when it breaks out of these downtrends that we're seeing right here. Yes, this is a smaller downtrend, but guys, look at this bar right here on May 10th, 20, okay? We saw this huge volume right here, huge volume. And that shows that there's going to be huge volume after this, okay? There's going to be huge volume after this. And we said to buy once it breaks out of this channel. And look, it is up. If you bought from down there, it's up 11% in how many hours? In around 12 hours. Not bad, guys, not bad. Still not bad. I mean, there's still going to be a lot of things. Would you still buy Manic for a 1 to 2 month hold? Wait for them to have some consolidation. Let's go to the graphs. You guys probably want to know what's up with Manic. Been holding Manic for a while, guys. We've been trading them for a while. All right, so let me go to the 30-minute. I'll go to the 5-minute chart real quick. All right, so what do we see in the 5-minute chart? You see a little bit of an uptrend, obviously. This is the demand zone, or this is the supply zone. This is when people are selling, okay, in this red box right here. This is when the majority of these people are going to sell. Because you want to know why? Let me go zoom out. Okay. Because we had a little correlation. This is how I'm finding these demand zones, guys. I'm always looking at the past. All right. Where was it? It was down here. No, I can't use that. But when you go from all-time highs, I really do see this correlating out. I always make a channel from that, and normally you guys can find the sell zones for something. You guys could also use Fibonacci, but I'm not the biggest fan of Fibonacci, just because it's a little bit of hopium, guys. Fibonacci brings a lot of hopium, but there is good stuff behind it. I mean, I use it off of YouTube, but I'll get into that later at some point. Next technical analysis video, I'll probably cover tools and how to use them. Can you go on Bitcoin Gold? Thoughts on NFT art? I'm not the biggest fan of NFT art. I think they're a little bit overhyped. There's going to be some sell-offs, okay? Can you check Bitcoin Gold? Okay, we'll look at Bitcoin Gold's price. We'll look at Bitcoin Diamond as well. Coffee. They're all pumping right now. BTC, ETH, and ADA. Yes, they are. Up 9% today, of course, because Bitcoin's up. They will have a bigger rise, okay? When Bitcoin hits 58, 59, Bitcoin Diamond and Bitcoin Gold will have large rises in price. So will Bitcoin Cash. Bought some Bitcoin Cash when we saw Bitcoin hit that demand level, and I bought some. That was another one of my trades, guys. But if Bitcoin starts to look a little bearish, we're not going to see things too good, okay? Since I didn't convince you to refer me to your bot builder, will you recommend me to the best crypto stack? What's a good bot blueprint ad code? Guys, really okay. The problem with buying some bot builder, I believe you guys have to understand, right? So on BNB they have stop losses. You guys could just go there and use it. But when you're using these small caps, I had someone code that, guys. You guys can honestly, if you really put your minds to it, you guys can figure out how to code it, or you guys can go on Reddit and ask. I need to figure out if there's a free site or something. Someone please put in the description. What you guys can use to pay for. Okay, I'm not completely sure about that. I need to look into it because I have been recommending you guys to get a stop loss. Demo point. Okay, BCD is probably going to have a nice rise, in my opinion. We already went over ETC. Alright, we'll go over Luna. Luna's just been very stagnant. They do need a breakout, guys, but they're going to be slowly moving always, okay? They're going to be slowly moving always. This is on 4-minute chart. Let me go 4 hours, guys. Come on. Alright, so we see Luna. We see Luna testing the support right here. We do see a little support level with Luna that got broke from down here. Let me go here. A lot of people sold out of Luna for one thing and one thing only, guys. Want to know why? Because they're very slow moving. People don't want to be invested in altcoin season and stuff that's slow moving like Luna. But I do see a breakout, guys. I do see Luna being slow moving, but continuing to move throughout the year. They're very great fundamentally. Nothing's going to change that. I do see around $100 at least Luna by the end of the year, at least. But yeah, they did break this support level right here, and or this resistance now turned support. So we do see a little breakout. We could see around $18 to $19 Luna. All right, so that's going to be the end. Okay, that's going to be the end of this video, guys. I'm going to stream tomorrow. I'll do one stream covering the market, and then we'll do another stream after that, just so I could separate the videos. And we're going to be going over. Okay, we're going to be going over how to find these 10x gems. We're going to be finding the next 10x gem tomorrow, or else we're not going to stop streaming until we find at least 2 gems. Okay, 3, but we'll make it 3 gems that will 10x. We're not going to sleep. Okay, we're not ending the stream. Okay, and that's going to be a goal every single stream. And we're not going to FOMO into them, guys. We're not going to FOMO into them. We're going to send them emails together. We're going to annoy them, and we're going to figure out are they really a 10x? Okay, because you guys got to have to do a lot of research to figure that out. So that's going to be the end of the stream. All right, so have a great night, guys. We are in the green today. We'll have to see about tomorrow. Everything is still looking bullish tomorrow. I do see Bitcoin hitting around the 58 to 59. If that happens, we'll be taking some profits. And set your stop losses, just in case, guys, just in case.